Today I just tested how to build a simple chatbot and I just wanted to share it with you. So let's first create a file called bot.py to keep it very short because we have to run it again and again. And I will just go to the chat GTP which I was prompting to. So building an API. So here we have our code and we are using some different method because I tried with OpenAI, it didn't work for some reason. I figured out before I even figured out my tokens were running out. I tried DeepSeek, it didn't work. I didn't get the reason quite. I tried Gemini, the same problem has the ChatGPT OpenAI. Then finally I had to use this. So we are using a website called OpenRouter, and let me tell you a few drawbacks of it. It's not an up-to-date AI, but it is an AI at the end. So just go to this link. I will provide all the links in the description, or you can simply put a prompt to ChatGPT saying uh, how to make a simple chatbot using OpenRouter API and guide me through a step-by-step guide. Then it will give you. Then we have our link. Let's click on this link. So create API key. I'll say it my chatbot. It doesn't have to be. You can. It doesn't have to be this. You can give any name. You can give your name if you want to. Let's copy this API key. Close this. Let's go here. Okay, sorry. Let's go here. Then we have a code here. Then we will come to VS Code, paste this code, and then we will just change the API key to the actual API key. Sorry. So I will teach you one more trick. Windows V and here. So when you're it's keeps the list of the things you have copied. So when you are doing it for the first time, click Windows V and you will get something called turn on, and anything after that will be stored in a list. So as you can see, we are getting error, so we are not able to import these things. Let's click Ctrl J. So we have to install few things before running this code, before being able to run this code. First of all, we have to install this pip install httpx. Just click enter. I'm having some issues. I don't want to bother with that. It will just create a env file, the pop-up message. I believe we have installed it successfully. Then okay, we have to give it our GitHub. So this is my GitHub. If you want to get this code, I will be posting this code on my GitHub. I will create a new repo called the chatbot and post this and post the ChatGPT code and links and documentation guide on my GitHub. It's simple. https github.com/Manjunath Harapnavar. So you can go there. I have made few projects. If you want them, you can pick them up. For now, let's copy this URL. You have to paste this here. HTTP referrer. Okay, let's paste it. Done. This much. And one more thing, you cannot use code runner for this. You have to manually type out. So let's clear the screen first. If you are using a MacBook, or if you're using MacBook, it's clear for you. For me, it's CLS in VS Code. So you have to run like this. If you have Python 3, okay, in some versions of Python, you have to write Python 3 file name.py. but in my PC it's Python file name, which is bot.py. And as I said, you have to must and should remember one thing. You have to you have to type it manually. If you use code runner, it will not work. So let's say hi. Okay, how can I assist you? Um, Let me think. What are the big three of anime? Okay, as you can see, it is taking a lot of time. Let me drag it up for better visibility. Okay, Naruto, One Piece, and Bleach. But you cannot ask it for recent information. Uh, List some news of 2025. I tried previously, it didn't work as I thought it was a older version. But if it gives uh, right answers in this, I think it's working for up to date. Okay, NASA successfully lands humans on Mars for the first time. Okay, it's giving bullshit. So it's not working. It's not working, so it's not up to date. It's a old version. You can ask it for past information, like past happenings. What can we ask it about? We can ask it about history. Uh, quote Nietzsche spelling. Oh, Nietzsche spelling. I don't know the spelling of Nietzsche. Nientz. Nietz. Okay, let's copy this, paste it here. Quote Nietzsche, I have said it. Without music, life would be a mistake. I don't know if. Let's ask it about. What else can I ask it? List all 48 laws of power. Let's see if it can do it. I believe it will take a long time. And if it's run out of time sometimes, so it will just give you error message. Okay, it gave us the 48 laws. So for static information which doesn't need to be updated, it's working, but for the latest and updated information, it's not working. uh, Maybe for scientific questions it will work. So let's ask it. Let's say CLS. Oh, CLS will not work, sorry. um okay, so what I can ask it is, um state all three laws of motion. I believe it can do this simple thing. Okay, it can give us the answers. Let's just, I will be posting my code in GitHub, but I will not give you the API key. You have to create your own API key. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I will come up with something fun again. Meet you in the next video.